Do you ever feel like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? If yes, today's episode is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Simplified by Cowrywise. Here are 9 hacks that are guaranteed to help you save money. Tons of it. Number 1, make a budget. The first step to saving money is to make a budget. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and going out will help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Hack number 2, cut out subscription services. It is easy to accumulate monthly subscription services such as Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and what have you. Consider cutting out the ones you don't use or sharing accounts with family and friends to save money. Number 3, shop for generic brands. Generic brands often offer the same quality as name brand products but often at a much lower cost. Try swapping out some of your usual designer purchases for more generic options. Hack number 4, meal prepping. Eating out can be quite expensive, so try meal prepping at home. Plan your meals for the week and buy groceries in bulk to save money in the long run. 5, cancel unused memberships. Do you have a gym membership you never use or an online magazine subscription you don't read? Cancel them and save some extra cash each month. Number 6, buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on everyday essentials like toilet paper and cleaning supplies. Number 7, coupon codes. Before making an online purchase, see if they have coupon codes or discounts to save money on your order. Hack number 8, DIY projects. Instead of hiring someone to do repairs or home improvement projects, try doing them yourself. There are plenty of tutorials and resources online to help you get started. And for the final hack, use Cowrywise. Now that you are effectively tracking your expenses and saving money, consider a wealth management app like Cowrywise to help you start growing your wealth through safe investment products. And there you have it, 9 hacks that will save you tons of money in 2024. Implementing these tips will help you build up your savings and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. My name is Ife. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.